Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. कहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हैं? याद है?
Which chapter? Chapter?
सोलो
Gopal.
सोलो हो गया ना?
16. 17, chapter 17. Adi Leela, na?
वन्दे श्रीरद्भूतोऽयं तं चैतन्यं यत्प्रसादतं रघुनाथं ते कृष्ण नाम प्रजल्पकाः जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौरभक्तवृंद ईश्वर लीला सूत्र परिलगनान यौवन लीला सूत्र परिहरमस्तम विद्या सौंदर्य संदेश संभव नित्य कीर्तनय देवनम यौवन प्रविशे अंगे अंगेर अंग विभूषण दिव्य वस्त्र दिव्य वेश माला चमंग चंदन 17 आदि काल क्या
Sorry.
यौवन प्रवेशे अंगे अंगेर अंग विभूषण दिव्य वस्त्र दिव्य वेश माला चंदन विद्या रुद्रते कहो ना करे गणन विद्या रुद्रते कहो ना करे गणन सकल पंडित जिनी करे धावन ये सब कुछ अपना शब्द बोला है नहीं
We are doing chapter 17, Adi Leela. Gopal Chapan. Taralaksha, do you have net on your phone? Do you have net on your phone? Internet on your phone? Oh, because I just want to bring that chapter up. Achha. Okay. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did kripa on Gopal Chapal.
তবে সেই পাপী প্রভুর শরণ লইল উপকৃত উপদেশ করিল হইয়া করুণ বাসের পণ্ডিস্থানে আছে অপরাধ তথা জগৎ যদি করেন প্রসাদ তবে তোর হবে কি পাপ বিমোচন যদি কোনো হইছে নাই কর আচরণ তবে বিপ্রাসি কইল শিবাস শরণ তাহার কৃপায় কইল পাপ বিমোচন
Yesterday we discussed about Gopal Chapel, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gopal Chapel, you have done aparadh at the Srivas Acharya, so you have to go and ask for forgiveness. You have to ask forgiveness from Srivas Acharya. So all the aparadh you have done, you will. Krishnadas Kaviraj is here Krishnadas Kaviraj is saying Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the Srivas Acharya's house, he shut the door and he was doing Nam Sankirtan. Then one Brahman came, he knocked on the door. Everybody was so absorbed in the Sankirtan. But Brahman knocked on the door. And Brahman, so they didn't open the door, and Brahman left. And then he had this darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Ganga Snan. The second day, when Mahaprabhu was doing Ganga Snan, he said, Vipra Brahman, he said to Mahaprabhu, I am very sad. Why? Because you were doing Nam Sankirtan with the door shut and I didn't get kripa of that. In Nam Sankirtan, I didn't, so I'm very sad that I didn't get part, I wasn't take part of the Sankirtan, so now I'm going to curse you. With his janoi, and he cursed. What did the curse he gave? The material life, the happiness that's in material life will sansar, in the sansar, whatever there is happiness, like all the happiness you have with the wife will vinash, will be destroyed. What does sansar material people want? They want to be happy in the material world, yes. They want nice wife. They want happiness from the wife, from the wealth. They want wealth. Then Mahaprabhu heard this. Mahaprabhu was happy. He was pleased. Whoever listens to this katha, Krishnadas Kaviraj is saying, then they will be liberated from that curse given by the Brahmin. In Mausi Lila is called. Yes, we can say Indra Jalik Lila, where like a magician, magician, he's doing Leela. It's called Andrajani Leela. It's not true. It's not Sat. Like it's not true. But you can. But for people's sake, he does the Leela. In Srimad Bhagavatam, there's two Leelas. Andrajalik Leela. They're like magician Leela. One is Mansi Haran, and the second is Mausa Leela. Said like Mahaprabhu is Bhagwan. Do you think he would be affected by the Brahmin's curse? No, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagwan. But still, externally, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted that curse. It's saying.
মুকুন্দ দত্তরে কইল দণ্ড পরসাদ খণ্ডিত তাহার চিত্তে সব অবসাদ আচার্য গোসাই প্রভু করে গুরু ভক্তি তাহাতে আচার্য বড় হয় দুরমতি তাহাতে আচার্য বড় হয় দুঃখ ভঙ্গি করি জ্ঞান মার্গ করিল ব্যাখ্যান প্রধাবসে প্রভু তারি করিল অবজ্ঞান আমি আচার্য গোসাই আনন্দ হইল লজ্জিত হইয়া প্রভু প্রসাদ করিল और
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even he, what punishment did he give to Mukunda? Whoever houses you go to, wherever you go, you glorify everyone. If you go to Mayavadi, bas, then you glorify them. Or if you go to Vaishnav, then you glorify them. Haji, you say, oh yes. Or if you go to December, Haji, we agree. Haji means bear. You know, sheep does bay. What do the sheep? Egg meta. One meta. You know, like one sheep is following one, and the rest of the sheep also follows that one. They don't know where that other one is going. So we shouldn't have that type of mentality. Bhagwan has given us our intelligence. We have to think. If we don't think, then what's the point of a human being? Do you understand? Vichar, you should think. That's why Mukunda told Mahaprabhu, you are Garachatiya, means you go, wherever you go, you praise them. And you just say yes, sir, yes. And then Mukunda started to cry. Mahaprabhu said, you are a very great kirtan. That after 100 lives, then you'll get udhar, means liberated. So he got happy. So I have Viswas. So Mukunda was happy because he said, I have got Viswas, I've got faith in you that at least even 100 lives, after 100 lives, I will get your prem. So I'm happy. At least I know I will get it. Advaita Acharya is Guru. Chaitanya. Advaita Acharya is a Shishya of Madhavendra Puri. And then Madhavendra Puri. Ishwar Puri Pad is Madhavendra. He took Diksha from Madhavendra Puri Pad. Because Ishwar Puri Pad is a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Guru. So he always takes Advaita Acharya as Guru. Once Advaita Acharya said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagwan, so how can a Bhagwan do pranam to me? Then Advaita Acharya didn't like that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was doing pranam to him. And then what happened? He started to read it was a Mayavadi Granth. It's a Mayavadi Ham Brahm. So Mahaprabhu came to Advaita Acharya. He was reading this Granth. And he started to preach on this, speak about this Katha on Mayavadi. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got very angry. And so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got angry with him. And then Advaita Acharya said, Advaita Acharya was very happy. Where today he's treated me as a Sishya, as a disciple. So he was happy. Yeah. So like that.
भक्ति करी ज्ञान मार्ग करिल व्याख्यान प्रदावसे प्रभुतारी कोइल अवज्ञान अभी आचार्य गोसाई आनंद होइल लज्जित हइया प्रभु प्रसाद इस प्रकार Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the house of Advaita Acharya. Murari Gupte Gopeshwari Ram Gunagram Lalade Nikhilata Ramdas Nam Murari Gupta. The Murari Gupta. He had a Kanti one-pointed Nista with Ramchandra. Mahaprabhu said to him, Murari, Krishna is best, Krishna is superior, Krishna is Bhagwan, is Ramchandra. Ramchandra has got 62 guns. Krishna is in Chandravas. Source. Kala means art. Art. In Ramchandra. In Surya. Dadas. What number is Dadas? Dadas. Arts. Kala. Dadas. In Surya. In Chandra. Source. Sola. 16 Kala. In Chandra. And so Chandrama is more superior than sun. In Surya, Bar, Tap, this heat. Sorry, this. तो भगवान ने कहा कि चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने कहा मुरारी राम अभिलाष कृष्ण की in the Madhurya, like Krishna's got Prema Madhurya Lila, Prema Lila, Madhurya Lila, all the Madhurya Lilas. Venu Madhurya. So what's the Krishna has got Venu Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Prema Madhurya, Rupa Madhurya. That's why you chant, you worship Krishna. So he went home and he started to chant the worship of Bhagwan, Krishna. But he could not sleep all night, and so he put a talwar, a sword, under his bed. So he might knock on the door and say, Murari, Murari. If that Murari opened the door and he couldn't, so he wanted to commit suicide with that sword. Murari was crying, and his eyes got swollen because he was crying so much. He cried that much. Then Mahaprabhu said, Murari, because he had so much nistha in Ramchandra, so he couldn't worship Krishna. So he said, so you got nistha. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, you got nistha in Ramchandra Prabhu. And he put his name, he gave him the name Ramdas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very happy.
श्रीवास ठाकुर श्रीधर के भी ऐसे श्रीधर के जो है अत्यंत पुराना लोहे का जो एक पात्र था.
There was a patra, like a container of iron. With that, he used to drink like a container, like he used to drink like metal, like a container where he used to drink water from. And he used to keep Sakhya Brahma with a very friendship relationship. Kela ka patta. Mocha, you know the flower, the banana flower. Mocha is banana flower, I think. And also Loki. Nimai Pandit always used to go to him, this fruit seller, vegetable seller, Sridhar. He was selling, and Mahaprabhu used to go there and just take all the vegetables without paying him. So he used to just play with him, and Mahaprabhu used to tell him, "Arey, you are wealthy to Sridhar." And Sridhar used to say, whatever I earn, I give half for the half in my family life, and the other half I use for the Ganga, for worship of Ganga. But you are dhani, you are wealthy with prem. But you know, materially you may be poor, but in prem, in Krishna prem, you are wealthy. So that's how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to do Leela. When there is bhakta, you know, you have to take. With his Sridhar, Mahaprabhu had such a prem, loving quarreling. Sridhar was doing Ganga he was doing Ganga Puja. Mahaprabhu used to get up early in the morning and do Ganga Snan. Oh, I think he's joking. Sridhar said, I'm doing Ganga Puja. Whatever, and then I used to do Chaitanya Bhagavad. Haridas Thakur, how much he had Kripa Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu did Samadhi of Haridas Thakur with his own hands. And his body, Mahaprabhu carried his body and did Samadhi also. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the Bhakta. What is Nam Stuti? There is a glorification of Nam. There is so much in Shastra. If you have so much faith in the Nam, Hari Nam, then Nam. Doing Nam once, all the sins are destroyed. Then I said the Katha. Even if you speak Bhagwan's name once, then the Papa are destroyed. That is the glorification of name.
भागवत में
In Bhagavad it says
महिमा
there is so much mahima, glorification of name
चंडाल
in Bhagavad. Even a Chandal who is a dog eater,
एक बार भगवान के
even if they chant Bhagwan's name,
नाम सामवेदी
once
से भी
they are even superior than Brahmin.
भगवान के नाम ग्रहण करने
So if you,
व्यक्ति की इतनी महिमा है। कोई भी व्यक्ति एक बार भगवान
whoever it may be, whoever it is chanting the Bhagwan's name,
नामे स्तुति प्रभु प्रभु जो नाम की स्तुति बात कहते हैं नाम में इतने कैसे होते
a Nam Stuti, doing Yam Tusi. There's so much people do, so much austerities, yoga and the Gyan. Then nothing happens to them. They don't.
अपने सारे शक्तियों के
But Nam, Krishna has invested all his potency, all his energy in his name. So that's why you should chant with deep faith and Vishwas and Shraddha with name. In the Shastra it says,
श्रद्धा के साथ करे
if you do Shraddha with Shraddha
के साथ इच्छा नहीं
or Leela, Icha,
है इसके साथ संगीतम पर्यटन शोभम ग्रहण एवं वैकुंठ नाम ग्रहण से सागरम विदुषिति है इसी प्रकार से
like that, if Bhagwan's name,
हाँ यहीं पर कहते हैं नाम अपराध छोड़ के नाम
you have to do Nam. When you do Nam, you have to
वैष्णव
be very careful with Aprad, Nam Aprad, especially Vaishnava Aprad. You have to be very careful Vaishnava Aprad. Whoever does Vaishnava Ninda, then they will never be able to chant Harinam, Sudha Harinam.
सपने सचले दिया कैल गंगा स्नान भक्ति महिमता करिला व्याख्या जो लोग नाम की अवहेलना करते हैं वंदना करते हैं
Who,
हैं,
sorry, I didn't get
तो
that.
क्या करना चाहिए वस्त्र के साथ गंगा स्नान करना चाहिए
Yeah, whoever does Aprad or Vaishnava Ninda,
नाम की निंदा
or even Nam Ninda, or the criticism of the name, then what do you have to do? You have to go and bathe in the Ganga.
कृष्ण कृष्ण प्रेम रस
Hear that.
कर्म ज्ञान योग धर्म के द्वारा
Karma Gyan, Bhagwan is not
कृष्ण प्रेम के द्वारा
happy. Krishna is happy if you do
संग धर्म
Bhagwan's name.
नौ साधस तपस त्याग
And he is not happy with tapasya or austerities.
भगवान कहते हैं
Bhagwan is saying,
ये मैं योग तपस्या
even I am not with the yoga, tapasya, yoga, all the dharmas.
उसके द्वारा भी मैं
I am not, you cannot,
मात्र भक्ति के द्वारा साधन तपस्या
you cannot attain me. Only you can attain me with bhakti.
तपस्या आदि के द्वारा नहीं
You cannot attain me with the tapasya, austerities. Only with bhakti.
आहम दरिद्र पापियं कृष्ण से निकेतनहं ब्रह्म बंधुर्विस्माह बहुभ्यं परिरंभितः ये कौन श्लोक का है
Who is saying this slok?
जब आहम दरिद्र पापियं कृष्ण से निकेतनहं ब्राह्मण
The Brahmin.
कृष्ण के जो अत्यंत परम मित्र थे
The Brahmin was a very dear friend of Krishna. Sudama. Vipra Sudama. In Bhagavatam it says Vipra Sudama was a very dear friend of Krishna.
राम मित्र
Sudama Vipra,
अहम है दरिद्र
I am so poor.
कृष्ण
Where is Krishna?
सर्व ऐश्वर्यमय लक्ष्मी जहाँ पर
Where is Ashwarya, where the Lakshmi is Viraj there. He is with Krishna.
ब्रह्म बंधु
And Brahma Bandhu. I am only a Daridra Brahmin.
इस बात में कि दरिद्र एक दैन्य सूचक कथा है
Daina, he was that feeling that
ये ब्रह्म
humbleness, humility.
इति स्माहं बाहुभ्यं परिरंभित अहो मैं अजोग लोग होने पर भी
even though
कृष्ण मुझे
that Alingin, right, he even though my position is so low, Krishna hugged me. So he had a lot of humility with us.
प्रक्षालन करी कृष्ण भोग लगाइल। देखो आश्चर्य की बात है। एक दिन चैतन्य महाप्रभु भक्तों के साथ लेकर के
He was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with the Bhakta, and he used to do Chaitanya Nam Sankirtan.
कष्ट देख करके महाप्रभु के हृदय में
And Mahaprabhu, when he used to see that Bhaktas were in difficulty, his heart used to melt.
भक्तों के जो नृत्य गीत में कितने परिश्रम होता है चैतन्य महाप्रभु में। इसलिए महाप्रभु ने किया कि एक आम के बीज
Mahaprabhu, he, you know the seed of the mango, he put it in the mud, you know, he roped he sowed the mango seed, and the mango started to grow, and then manjaris came, like, and then the fruit came, mango. He offered the mango, washed it and offered it to Thakurji. He offered it to Krishna, and then all the bhaktas got Am Prasad.
शतद्वी फल प्रभु शीघ्र पढ़ाइल और प्रक्षालन करी कृष्ण भोग लगाइल।
Am, mango. When we go to Navadip Parikrama, there is mango trees. These mangoes were so sweet. They were like reddish color. They were all ripe. Inside, gutli. There was no gutli. There was no seed. It was no chilka. Chilka means the skin. That mango didn't even have skin or seed. It was just pulp. It was so sweet, mango. If you have one mango, that's just more than enough for you. When I used to go to Brazil, I see these mangoes. They're so big. It's so sweet. These mangoes are so sweet. You have one mango, that's your stomach gets full. I've traveled to many countries, but the mangoes from the Brazil are special. There's so many mangoes on the ground, but nobody eats. If you go in the jungle, there's so many mangoes just lying down on the floor from the trees. So many animals eat. This mango that he planted, every bhakta ate one mango and they were so satisfied. In Kirtanya Vishram, bhaktas, devotees did so much kirtan
that kirtan, that they did so much kirtan, so they were like tired. Mahaprabhu saw that devotees were tired, so they were hungry as well. So that's why he did this leela, and he gave one mango to all the devotees each.
দেখিয়া সন্তুষ্ট হইল সচিদানন্দন সবারে খাই লাগে করিয়া ভক্ষণ পুষ্টি কলকল নাহি অমৃত রসময় এই গে ফল খাইলে রসে উদয় ফুল উদর ফুলন এই মত প্রতিদিন করে 12 মাস এই মত প্রতিদিন করে 12 মাস বৈষ্ণব খায় না ফল প্রভুর উল্লাস इस प्रकार प्रतिदिन
These mangoes were 12 months throughout. You got the fruit, this mango fruit, throughout the year. Who used to feed this mango? This mango was for mango tree was for.
কীর্তন করিতে প্রভু আইল মেঘগণ আপন ইচ্ছায় মেঘ করিল নিবারণ
When after Nam Sankirtan Mahaprabhu, with Mahaprabhu's icha, the cloud, when they were doing circle, if there was cloudy, by the desire of Mahaprabhu's, the clouds used to disperse.
পড়িতে পড়িতে আইল তবে নৃসিংহের নাম শুনিয়া অভিষ্ট হইল প্রভু গুণগ্রাম বাস ওয়া বিষ্ণু নাম করতে করতে
when they were doing Nrsimha Bhagwan's stuti, Mahaprabhu was so absorbed in Nrsimha Bhagwan, and with his hand in Gada he used to stand up. With the Gada Mahaprabhu, he adjusted the mood of Chaitanya, Nrsimha Bhagwan. Murti, Nrsimha Devi's Pasanda Gala. His murti is like anger. So anger, like ferocious. So everybody got scared and ran away. They were so fearful of Prabhu. Then and went to the Griha house of Srivas. তার প্রতি অপরাধ সব হয় ছয় অপরাধ নাই কইলে লোকের নিস্তার যে তোমারে দেখিবে তা ছুটিল সংসার এত বলি শ্রীবাস করিল সেবন দুষ্ট হইয়া প্রভুতারে আইলা কোন ভবন Mahaprabhu said, Srivas, when they saw me with the Gada, they got so fearful of me. Srivas said, no, Mahaprabhu said that I frightened people, I frightened them, so I've done aparad. So you do Nam Sankirtan, then all the fear will be destroyed. With your darshan, Mahaprabhu, all automatically the sins will be destroyed of everyone. If you have pap in the hriday, if there is no pap in anyone's hriday, in the heart, then there is no fear. So from a mouse to snake, because we are fearful of that. Why? Because we have pap in our heart. There is pap in, like that's why you have fear. Srivas Mahaprabhu
Srivas Thakur was doing seva of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Also Bhojan, he used to honor the prasadam at his house.
महेश आविष्य कइल सचिदानंदन तार स्कंदे चोरी चोरी नित्य परिभोक्षण एक दिन एक शिव भक्त
And then one day
डमरू बजा करके कीर्तन करने लगे
they were doing kirtan like a damru, you know the damru like Shivji. So he was in the mood of Shivji with the damru, they sang kirtan.
तार स्कंदे चोरी नित्य परिभोक्षण आदि एक भिक्षु आइल मांगिते प्रभु नित्य देखे नित्य लागिला करिते प्रभु संगे नित्य करे परम उल्लास प्रभु तारे प्रेम दिलो प्रेम रसी भासे एक दिन एक भिखारी
One day there's a Leela.
और
Mahaprabhu Nityananda means Mahaprabhu was dancing.
महाप्रभु के साथ नित्य
So who
और
was
महाप्रभु को प्रेम किया
sorry, I didn't get who was dancing with Mahaprabhu, and then he got prema.
सम्मान करी प्रभु प्रश्न कहिल ए पुछिल प्रभु जन्मे आमी कह गणी गणिते लागिला सर्वज्ञ प्रभु आप सुनी एक दिन एक
One day, Jyotish, astrologer,
महाप्रभु के घर में आए
they came to Mahaprabhu's.
साधारण लोग या ज्योतिषी देख करके
What do we do?
अपने भविष्य के बारे में
We go to astrologer to see our future, look at our hand, speak something about our future.
कुछ लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं कुछ जानता नहीं है
Some actually don't know anything about astrology,
लोगों की क्या करते हैं उल्टा सीधा
but they give wrong information.
बड़ा जानते हैं
Cheat.
है तुम्हारी ये ग्रह है
They say they cheat the people and then just give wrong, false information to them and earn money from them.
अपने जो एक स्टार जो है उसको तुम दमन कर नहीं पाते हो दूसरे के क्या करोगे
If you don't know yourself, your own astrology, you are beggar. So how can you
उससे लोग उसके पीछे चलते हैं
and how can you give something to somebody?
विदेश से कुछ लोग आते हैं
And you know the foreigners during Gurudev's time,
डॉलर
many foreigners used to spend money with astrology.
बात चले जाते हैं
They used to go to astrologers.
और अंदर जाने के समय गुरुदेव के जो दक्षिणा देना तो बहुत दूर की बात है
Even giving dakshina to Gurudev was
जो एक महीना
do.
रहा
They stayed here for 1 month.
माने उनके लिए जो पैसा जो निर्धारण किया
They have the money.
रहने खाने के लिए वो भी दे नहीं पाते
They couldn't even give the accommodation money. But then yet they would spend $1,000
इसी के खर्च करते
and spend with the yotish, go to the astrologer.
हैं एक अंगूठी पहना देते हैं और अंगूठी को दे देते
Bas gives the astrologer would give them one ring to wear.
हैं तुम्हें अंगूठी क्या
You
बोले?
just
अंगूठी पहना देते
you just wear one ring with a stone
हैं
and you'll be okay.
छोड़ देते हैं माने तात्पर्य क्या है उल्टा सीधा करके बोले ये
उल्टा
अंगूठी ग्रहण
सीधा।
करो, ये करो ताकि ग्रहण
Do
करो
this and that, do and
और
this,
देख करके
that,
तुम्हारे सारे पैसा निकाल
and then take all your money.
इसलिए अंगूठी पहना करके तुम्हें
By
अंगूठी
just
पहना करके
langoti.
इसलिए कभी जो
Gives angoti. Angoti means a ring. And
भजन करो ना,
langoti.
नाम करो
Arey, you done so much.
नाम से भी बड़ा वस्तु नहीं है
There's nothing greater than Nam.
अंगूठी लगाने से थोड़ी तुम्हारे
With wearing a ring, do you think you'll be all you?
बात ज्योतिषी तुम्हारे कुछ नहीं करते वो
Yotis,
स्वयं ही
astrology will not
अपने
do anything for
बेटे
you.
का शादी करा नहीं पा रहे
If you have, let's say you have a daughter and you cannot get her married,
कैसे बोलो? गुरुदेव डांटते थे
Gurudev used to tell them off.
गुरुदेव के समय हम देखा
He used to tell them off
अमेरिका से सब
and send America and England when the devotees used to come.
यहाँ पर जो ब्रज बिहार में
There's in Raj Bihari,
कोई था ज्योतिषी था
there was astrology here.
हजारों हजार रुपये 80,000 90,000
They spend so much money, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. And then they used to tell Gurudev, we don't have money.
इसलिए कभी ये सब कर- हाँ हम विश्वास करते थे
I'm saying-
विश्वास करते जो यथार्थ गणना करने वाले हैं
There are
हम लोग
astrology.
नहीं करते
We are not.
शास्त्र में है
In Shastra, it is mentioned about astrology. We're not criticizing that part.
सहज उपवेद में ज्योतिष शास्त्र है।
There is Jyotish Shastra, there is Shastra of astrology. Who knows proper astrology, they can do astrology. Not these people who just learned from here and there and cheat people. Yes, they cheat.
चलो यहाँ पर एक दिन एक ज्योतिषी
One day, Jyotish astrologer came to Mahaprabhu's house.
यथार्थ ज्योतिषी है।
He's okay astrologer.
वर्णन दे रहे हैं वो सर्वज्ञ
He was
है ज्योतिषी।
he was a he wasn't a full like a he was a proper astrologer.
एक दिन ज्योतिष एक सर्वज्ञ आइलो तारे सम्मान करी प्रभु प्रश्न कइलो। वो ज्योतिष को देख करके बोले
Then he asked this Jyotish, he asked this question. He said, what karmas I did in my previous life, that now I got a birth in a Brahmin family. If you have a good karmas, you have to good karmas, then you take birth in Brahmin family. In Bhakti Vinod Thakur, in Chaitanya Siksha said, why is some people take in a lower family birth, or some people why some people take in a wealthy family. Everything's to do with our previous life. Why did you take a birth in a Brahmin family? Because you did good karmas. But you taken birth because of your good karmas. You become and you got a birth in a Brahmin family. But then, if you don't follow the Brahmin, follow the Acharya of Brahman, and you didn't do Bhagavad Bhajan, you didn't do Bhagavan Bhajan, then that's a waste of time. Achha, because of your previous karmas, you got a birth in a Brahmin family, and then you got your Brahmin body, but you didn't do any bhajan, then it's a waste of time. That's a waste of life. Okay, you can say yes, do Brahmin. Okay, you cannot just say, oh, I'm a Brahmin, but you should follow the Acharya, the behave like a Brahmin. A Chandal is not a Chandal if he's chanting Harinam. Brahmin is not a Brahmin who is not following Bhagwan's name. Chandal is not Chandal if he's doing Krishna Bhajan. So here we go back to Jyotishi, astrologer. Mahaprabhu respected him, paid his respect. Some, not all sadhus are bad and not all sadhus are good. Some are in Kali Yuga, then you don't know. In Kali Yuga, people lose faith in sadhus. Even if they are good sadhus, they lose vishwas, they lose faith because there are so many cheating sadhus. One day, I said a katha. One sadhu came to a house. The sadhu said, I'm a very good sadhu. Donate 100 rupees to me. I'm saying one thing. At the doorstep of your house, there's a kuwa, there's a well under your house, and I can see that in that well near your doorstep, and there underneath the mitti, 100 meter down, 100 meter down, underground, there's a well. You don't know, but I can see. So even if you sell this, you will become a millionaire. So he said, oh, sadhu, oh, that's very nice. And then he said, oh, now you have to give me 1000 rupees dakshina.
साधु के लिए परीक्षा में देती।
So let me see, let me test him whether this is a sadhu or not.
भजन के लिए थाली दे दिया।
So he gave him bhojan, he offered him some
और वो
bhojan.
महिला ने किया कि
What did that lady do?
चावल के नीचे थोड़ा घी रख दिया और उसके ऊपर
Before he
ढक दिया।
he kept the ghee, and then on top of that he put rice.
रोटी चावल दिया और एक सब्जी दी। साधु खाने के
And he
लिए
gave me one sabji and roti.
तेरे घर में घी नहीं है, तो साधु से घी भात करा दे।
So he said, have you got ghee? Have you ghee? And you are saying you can see that chawal. I have put ghee underneath the chawal, that you can't see, but yet you can see that underground there is a huge there is treasure. So who is a true Brahmin? Mahaprabhu used to pay respect him.
তাহারে সম্মান করি প্রভু প্রশ্ন কইল ইহা ছিল পূর্ব জন্মে আমি কহ করি গণিতে লাগিলা সর্বস্ব প্রভাত শুনি
Mahaprabhu said, Yotish, astrologer, tell me what karmas I did in previous life that I've taken birth now in Brahmin dynasty, Brahmin family.
देखिए प्रभुर मूर्ति सर्वज्ञ हईल भावर वो सर्वज्ञ ब्राह्मण जो है
Brahmin,
जब ध्यान में बैठे
when he was in meditation, he was chanting his japa. And then he started to meditate. Who is this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? So he saw all these avatars, Kurma, all the Nrsimha avatar. They, he saw in them. They saw in Nrsimha, Vara, Rup, all the avatars. He had darshan of that. He could see that. And all the Ananta Brahman, all the different. He was said, who is this Ram, Krishna, Bhuraha? He couldn't understand. And he started to sweat. Mahaprabhu said, hey Brahmin, listen. In my previous life, I was Gopal. I was cow herder boy. I served the cows. Whoever does Brahmin. So whoever serves cows in this life, in the next life, they will be Brahmin. In this janam. So what you should do? You should serve cows. Go dan, charity to cows. If you take even some grass, you feed the cows. So feed the grass to the cows. In Shastra it's written. Who should do humans, they should serve cows. Go to Goshala and take some grass or dhan and offer it to cows. It's Goshala. That's why Mahaprabhu he said in previous life I did seva to the cows. Cow herd boy.
পূর্ব জনে ছিলা তুমি প্রভুর মূর্তি সর্বজ্ঞ ভাব গণিতে না পারে কিছু মৌন হইল প্রভু পুনঃ প্রশ্ন করিল, করিতে লাগিল, পূর্বজন্মে ছিলা তুমি পরমাশ্রয়, পরিপূর্ণ ভগবান সর্বৈশ্বর্যময়। पूर्व जैसे शिला प्रभु ये सब से रूप दुर्वेग नित्यानंद तुम्हारा स्वरूप। ये प्रभु नित्यानंद स्वरूप
है, नित्यानंद स्वरूप,
नित्यानंद देने वाला स्वरूप है। आपकी जो स्वरूप के जो है
the Swarup you have,
महात्मा भी
even the great Mahatmas cannot understand your Swarup.
आपके सभी लोग
Not everybody can understand your Swarup.
प्रभु विष्णु ना जाने लो पूर्वे আমি আছিলাম জাতি দেখওয়ালা, গোপগৃহে জন্ম ছিল গাভীর রাখাল, এই পুণ্য হইলাম আমি ব্রাহ্মণ ছাল। महापुरुष लगे जे अरे सुनो, पूर्वजन्म में गोपगृह में जन्म ग्रहण किया, स्वयं जो है राखाल माने गो सेवा।
I did Gosava in my previous life.
इस पुण्य के फलस्वरूप मैं
Brahmin. So because of that work I did charity work for the cows. That's why I'm got Brahmin family.
आज विश्व देखी भापर होइला, आज धन में मैंने आपको देखा, कब किसी रूप में आप
I've seen you came.
कभी मत्स्य जैसे
Sometimes you came in Matsya Roop
भगवान
and you did many leelas in Matsya Leela.
प्रभु के वेद देखी माया रत्ती माया तुम्हार जीव भाव तुम्हें तुम्हारे नमस्कार उतारे प्रेम दिलो कोइलो पूर्ण पुरस्कार। एक दिन प्रभु को विष्णु मंडपे बसिया मधुआनो बड़े डाकिया नित्यानंद प्रभु रे आवेश जानिल गंगा जल पात्र आनी सम्मुखे धरिल। इसी प्रकार आगे की कथा लंबा है, बहुत लंबा है।
The next chapter is long, so we'll do it tomorrow. Slok 1. Can you write it down? It's 117 chapter. Yeah. 174. Haribol. Which was? 115.
From tomorrow.
Chapter 16. We start from 117 tomorrow. We'll start from 115 and chapter 17 and is Adilila. Adilila. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Yeah. What? He's saying if you drink, then it's like go seva. Oh, he's saying that if you buy alcohol and drink alcohol, then it's like go seva is because there the tax you pay goes to the seva of cows. If you get more tax, the extra tax is used for service of cows, to seva of cows. So what, you drink alcohol and pay tax that way? Do you go seva? He's just joking. What do these government people do? That's none of our business. Bas, serve cows, do go seva. Even Raganuga Bhakti is what? Raganuga Bhakti, there is five types. There is Tataksha. Tataksha in the middle. Tataksha is Brahmin seva, like it's not favorable and unfavorable. It's not even if you don't do Bhagwan's bhajan, but you did a go seva, in your next life you will get a birth of a Brahmin. But what will happen if Brahmin, what bhajan hoga? No, you like Bhagwan. Even if you take birth in the Brahmin family, but if you don't do bhajan, then that's okay. You serve cows. You do serve cows. You do charity work for cows. He had a cow. He sold it. He said he had a cow. He sold the cow. That's okay. So he sold the cow, so he got the ticket to come for parikrama. So at least that money has been used for the right place, he's come for parikrama. So that's beneficial because he sold the cow and then he used the money to come for parikrama. What did you? You shouldn't actually sell the cow. Donate. Like donate the cow, but don't sell it. Like don't get, not like to a Muslim. What is Muslims? Muslims eat cows. Zakir. Zakir, he says, oh, cow is to be eaten. He's a Rakshas, he's a demon. They're demon. Who eats cows are demon. Cow is our mother. No, you can. When we do parikrama, they are actually feeding the cow with spinach. When we go to the parikrama, at least we go seva. Oh, Govardhan, I have got Gaushala. There's a Gaushala in Govardhan Math. Okay. Hare Krishna. Finished.